Hello there. This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American R-colored vowel as in the word after. You can also hear this sound in words like inter, color, dollar, or nature. We'll be using a special phonetic symbol, for this sound. In our previous video, we began exploring the American R-colored vowels. Here's a summary of what we've covered. In American English, any time in any word, when you see a vowel followed by the letter R in the same syllable, you have an R-colored vowel sound. The R-colored vowel sound as in the words first, burn, learn, or word, can be spelled with different vowel letters and the letter R. The occurs only in stressed syllables. But what happens in unstressed syllables? The R-colored vowel sound has a weak version, the sound, which is used in unstressed syllables. Its pronunciation is almost the same as of the tense but the is a relaxed R-colored vowel. Some linguists consider them to be the tense and the weak versions of the same sound. So, let's find out how to make the relaxed sound. Okay, pronunciation of the R-colored vowel is very similar to the vowel or the consonant. To make the sound, open your mouth a little and leave your lips neutral or round them slightly. The is a weak sound, so your tongue and throat should be relaxed. Raise the front of your tongue toward the alveolar ridge, behind your upper front teeth, but don't touch it. Next, curl back the tip of your tongue. Now slightly lower the center of your tongue and raise its back. Note that your tongue should be relaxed. Remember, the tip of your tongue should be curled back and it should never touch the alveolar ridge. Now let's try saying it. Now, let's practice the sound in some words. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation. Like this. Answer. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word. Repeat each word after the speaker, and try to copy the pronunciation as much as you can. Let's begin. Author. Better. Border. Butter. Seller. Center. Clever. Collar. Dinner. Doctor. Eager. Editor. Error. Favor. Figure. Future. Gather. hammer, honor. Let's pause here for a second and check on how you are making the sound. The tip of your tongue should be curled back and raised toward the alveolar ridge, behind your upper front teeth. Your tongue and your throat should be relaxed. Let's continue practicing. Bakery, comfort, coward, Eastern, effort, energy, forward, general, lizard, memory, modern, natural, operate, pattern, percent, perfect, perhaps, upward, western, yogurt. You're done. Congratulations. By the way, did you know that most of the time, the is represented by the combination of the letters ER, as in the words writer or teacher? However, the can be written with any vowel letter followed by the R. And this can be really confusing for non-native speakers. Here's some words with the that are often mispronounced. Dollar, color, author, doctor, nature, future, mayor, honor, favor, editor. Stay tuned on our Sounds American channel. Don't forget to subscribe.